In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a zap with a webhook trigger. This is a powerful way to automate tasks by connecting different apps through Zapier. So let's dive into the process step by step. First, we're going to start by creating a new zap in Zapier, which is essentially a customized workflow that automates actions between your apps. When you're setting up this new zap, you'll want to select Webhooks by Zapier as the trigger app. This choice is crucial because webhooks allow apps to send real-time data from one place to another, making your automation both instant and reliable. Now, once you've got Webhooks by Zapier selected, the next thing you need to do is choose Catch Hook as your trigger event. This is essentially setting things up to receive data. Selecting Catch Hook will generate a unique webhook URL specifically for this zap. Think of this URL as your zap's doorway to receive information from other apps. Copy the generated webhook URL carefully, as maintaining its integrity is essential for what we are going to do next. With this URL in hand, you can now move on to the next part. The goal here is to use this URL in the other system or app you're integrating with Zapier. This can be done in a few ways. For example, you can perform a POST request if you're familiar with APIs, a GET request if that suits your system better, or even just visit the URL in a browser with query string parameters if you're testing or want a quick way to see data flow through. Once data has been sent to this webhook URL, you need to test if your trigger is set up correctly in Zapier. This testing step is vital because it confirms that everything is working as expected and that the webhook is correctly receiving and processing the data from your other apps or systems. In Zapier, you can easily verify this by checking the data that's been caught from your webhook. If everything's wired up correctly, this part should show you the data sent moments ago. There you have it. This process of setting up a webhook in Zapier can be a game changer for handling data across different platforms seamlessly. Remember, taking the time to test ensures your efforts are not in vain and your workflows run smoothly. With this setup, you can effortlessly automate tasks and focus on what really matters. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.